Jai Srimanarayana. 25th sloka of 7th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Naham Prakasaha Sarvasya Yogamaya Samavrutaha Mudhoyam Nabhijanati Loko Mamajam Avyayam Om. Srimanarayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma with a human form and with all generic structures of human body, but still he remains unborn, unchangeable, supreme and cause of all the worlds. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, I shall always remember that you are unborn, you are unchangeable, you are the cause of all the worlds, you are the supreme. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadam murtadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 44th day, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Devaki Devi praying to Paramatma who is born to her. Nashte loke dviparardha avasane mahabhuteshu adibhutam gateshu vyakte vyaktam kalavegena yate bhavanekah sishyate asesha saugnaha." O Srimanarayana, after crores of years, there comes one pralayam. At that time, this entire visible, non-visible, everything will be completely gone into you. All that will be dissolved into you. Such, O Paramatma, at that time, only you will be left. and you will be called as Ananta. Hey Bhagavan, this time kalam is like your body. Ever since you have a sankalpam, you make a sankalpam to do this entire jagat, every moment that is called as kalam. Nimeshadihi vatsarantaha mahiyam tam tva ishanam kshemadhama prapadye. విశ్వేశ్వర మేలుకుప్ప నిన్నున్ ఎవ్వడున్ కోరి భజించున్ వాడిపో శాశ్వత లక్ష్మి మృత్యుజయ సౌఖ్యయుతుండగువాడు మాధవా. హే మాధవ, you are the doer of this entire prapancham world, Srishti, and you are a place for all kind of auspiciousness. Those who devotes themselves to you, those who does worship to you, they will get permanent riches, and they will get rid of the mrityu bhayam, and they will have all kind of happiness, success. Such, O Paramatma, you are the cause of all mangalas. Now I am surrendering to you completely. Like that, Devaki Devi praying to Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయ గురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణే నామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్షమాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th chapter 25th శ్లోక. నాహం ప్రకాశః సర్వస్య యోగమాయా సమావృతః మూఢోయం నాభిజానాతి లోకో మామజమవ్యయం. నాహం ప్రకాశः సర్వస్య యోగమాయా సమావృతః మూఢోయం నాభిజానాతి లోకో మామజమవ్యయం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.